for Zeke and Harlo. Zeke, okay. You mentioned earlier na first lead role nyo to in a series and before parang supporting characters na. Ngayon, nag-sync in na ba talaga sa inyo na kayo yung lead stars ng Hell University? And can you remember yung moment na natanggap niyo yung news na kayo yung gaganap sa lead characters?
Yeah, so till right now, everything still feels like a dream talaga. Hindi talaga makapaniwala. But it's slowly starting to sink in, especially with media conference and everything like that. But yeah, I still very much remember yung time na nakuha ko yung news. It was like 12 a.m. in the morning. I was actually about to sleep na. And then yeah, my manager called me. Sabi, Zeke, you're gonna be ace. Ganun eh, very, very straightforward yung manager ko. And parang pinag-usapan na, yeah, this is very surprised by that. Hindi ako mapaniwala.
How about you, Mart?
For me, I still can't believe it even until now. It's really hard to believe po talaga na I got our lead role. Oh my gosh, oh my God. When I got the announcement, I got it directly from boss because I was sakto nandun ako at that time. Then when she told me, I was like, I actually cried at that time. That's how unbelievable it was.
Okay, thank you. Okay, I wanna ask the author, no? Since gagawin na siya, may adaptation na siya for series, gaano ka kaka-involved sa paggawa nitong adaptation? Hands-on ka ba? Nasa set ka ba para to check?
Opo, sobrang hands-off po ako and lagi po kami nagko-communicate nila direct kung meron po sila mga gustong i-clear sa akin. Lagi po nila dinadirect sa akin if may confusing part po sa novel, lagi po nila kinoconsult sa akin. And I also, yung mga draft po nila sa akin, pinapacheck nila. Tapos po pag meron po akong correction, tinatanggap naman po nila. And just po, sobrang thankful ako na ang goal namin na maging faithful po sa source material.
Okay. Sorry, habol question. Pahabol kong tanong lang, no? For Aubrey and Lance, no? You mentioned earlier na this is far from your previous roles in Avenues of the Diamond, no? So, and months na rin yung, or a year na rin yung lumipas bago kayo nagsama ulit sa taping. Kamusta naman yung chemistry niyo together? Nag-evolve ba?
Well, in ano naman, off-cam, like, mas naging close naman talaga kami. But, you know, on set, like, wala pa naman kaming taping together. But, yeah, we're preparing for the role. Well, me naman, I'm not new to this kind of genre because before, I've done like horror thrillers. So, I'm really looking forward po dito sa character na to. And yeah, it's a different ano po sa amin as a love team. Dito, yung love interest ng mga characters namin, isa't isa, but it's really different. No, hindi siya katulad na nung sa past series namin na very romantic.
Yes.
Yeah.
Basta napag-usapan na rin namin ni Aubrey na with this new project, sobrang importante yung growth para sa amin as a love team. Na we can portray different characters and we can give justice again to these characters. So we're just very excited pag may mga bagong project kami natatanggap po.
Thank you and congratulations ulit.
Thank you.
Thank you. Maraming salamat. Moving on to Marisol Academy, we have Rodel Fernando.
Ay, kay Andre, ano ang palaging ina-advise sa iyo ng mami mo na ngayong medyo gumaganda na ang career mo?
Thank you po. Bali, ang lagi lang po sa akin advice ni mommy pati ni daddy is to always be humble and lagi pong tatandaan na huwag pong tatapak ng ibang tao. So, yun lang naman po yung lagi nilang pinapaalala na sa akin. Tsaka, enjoy din po. Thank you.
Okay, thank you.
Very, very wise words. Thank you so much. Ngayon naman po from Philippine Star, Dolly Ann Carvajal.
For the writer, do you believe that there's hell and heaven, or you think hell is already here on earth? Sabi nila, di ba, impyerno na daw dito.
I think po, yung Hell University po kasi yung hell talaga doon is parang metaphor siya sa mga pinagdadaanan ng mga students doon. So, if I believe in hell or heaven, yes po, I do. And although you can go there, but you can also experience hell in real life while still living on earth. And yun po yung about sa Hell University.
Thank you.
Okay, thank you so much. So yes, naniniwala si Kid kay Heaven and Hell. Alright, ngayon naman po, from Rider PH Studios, we have Jojo Panaligan.
Ayun, tama-tama sa author pa din. Paano ka napunta sa genre na to? At saka, I'm thinking because of your name, you'll stick to this genre, tama ba?
Actually, I have different genre po. Meron ako mystery, may vampire. Pero nag-umpisa po ako sa Hell University kasi sa concept ko na inspiration ko which is The Purge. Medyo backstory lang po kasi nung may Veda class kami, nag-play yung friend ko ng movie which is The Purge. Which legal po lahat ng gagawin sa specific range of time, even killing. So after po namin panoorin yun, parang nagkaroon po kami ng mga joke ng mga friends ko na what if magkaroon ng The Purge sa school sa kami magkatago. So doon po nag-umpisa na yung pinaka-concept ng university.
Thanks. And my second question to the cast, title lang please, anong paborito yung teen horror movie?
Ano ang paborito ninyong teen horror movie? Let's start with Jemima naman, coming this way naman. Just the title.
Teen horror movie. Teen horror movie. I think this is very like old. I'm not that old, but I would say if you guys are familiar with Vampire Diaries.
Of course.
Yeah, Vampire Diaries. I would say. Yeah, Vampire Diaries. Hindi siya teen movie, pero yung PMAC. I know everyone knows this one, right?
My favorite is Scream, the Drew Barrymore one.
For me po, it's It.
Sorry, what's it?
It. I am po.
Yes, po.
For me, yung I Know What You Did Last Summer. Yes.
Let's include direct na rin para fun.
Direct
Bobby and Kid.
Ayun din, I Know What You Did Last Summer and Battle Royale.
Okay. I Know What You Did Last Summer Part 2. Ano ba talagang Part 2?
Actually, may book sa mga gusto, The Grudge po.
Same kami, The Purge.
Ako po yung Insidious po.
Insidious.
Ako po, Conjuring.
Ako ano? Shake, Rat, and Roll siya. Yung show ko yung sa
Sa akin, same din na. Conjuring.
Thanks guys, thanks baby.
Okay, thank you. Okay, moving on to Mark Magadia from Maganda Ba Movie.
Hello guys, ayan, ang question ko lang sa lead cast, ano yung parang may preparation na ba na ginawa? Since magiging parang kayo yung magdadala ng show, so na-test na ba yung chemistry? May mga ganun na bang process? Can you take us to experience kung paano ginawa yun?
Yes po, actually we started workshops before po. And then, actually, Direk was also the head teacher for our workshop. Very hands-on Direk. And he tells us what he wants. And he's also collaborative. And for me personally, we also read the book, but for me, I played video games, yung mga thriller, so to get that feeling of what if you were alone and you were supposed to fight this monster na, ayun na po.
Yeah, so same as what Hart said. And so, there are things that you can do such as, reading, may mga workshops din, things like that. It can definitely help. Pero I think it's very important na kahit wala ganun, like on your own, you still do things that are you know, parang related to Hell University to really embody your role.
So parang ano pala to? Specifically, parang nagkaroon kayo ng workshop for the series din, parang
yes po.
Thank you. Yun lang. Salamat.
Maraming salamat po. Ngayon naman, from Bix Buzz at Abante, we have Bix Almacen.
Hi! Hello. But my question, parang